Hey folks, welcome back again. Today I'm going to show you how we built this wonderful garden that's behind me. And it has took us about 2-3 weeks to build it. We built it from scratch. And definitely thanks for joining us. And let's see how it's done.
Before I show you how we built this garden, I want to give you an idea of what we are trying to achieve, what the end product looks like 3 months later. So this video was obviously taken about 3 months later. See, the first section, we have the herbs and other plants that we need. So this is a step garden for only for herbs. So you could see thyme, curly parsley, sage, basil, dill, and so forth right there, and it's just growing wonderfully. So this is one section of the garden. Right behind it there's a strawberry patch. Okay, here we start building the boxes. Then we fill the boxes with the weed preventer, that black sheet that you usually put in. Once we did that, we got some soil, a whole lot of soil, probably about half a ton, and start dumping it. You can see my son helped me out, my daughters as well, and as well as Frosty, who's providing the entertainment while we do this. So, and yeah, he wants to be part of the picture. So, and so once we start filling the boxes, then we start building shades. Shades I ordered from Walmart. We have 2 of them, as you could see here, and we're missing 2 because they're back ordered. So hopefully they're coming soon. It's not hard to put them together. You just need 2 people. So then we also have a lot of potted plants, which is going to be put into the ground later. As you can see, we already started planting some peppers and other items. So those are, again, as you can see, my daughter is filling in and helping plant some of the bush bean seeds. These are bush beans, and they're not climbers, so you could actually put them in a box. So you could actually put them in close together than a normal pole bean would. So these are just bush beans that produce a ton, and we did pick quite a few 3 months later. And here we could see some of the peppers start already growing, and some of the plants are already coming up.
I'm in the garden right now, and I'm going to pick up some items. First item that I want to pick up, as you could see here, is carrots. So carrots is a critical component, not critical, but a good component of beef stew. So I'm going to see what I could find. See, pull one out. Oh, look at this guy. It's red. Okay, let me see. Maybe I can get one more. Okay, I got a yellow one. Let's see. 2 babies. Maybe one more. Okay, that's a good one. All right. Next, I'm gonna walk over and see if I can get some tomatoes. Let's see here. Wow, look at this. I got some cherry tomatoes. Look at these guys. Yellow ones are nice. Look at them. Beautiful. This one is already got 2 ripe. I didn't get a chance to pick any of these, so wasted. Okay, that's 2 ripe. I'm gonna take it out. And I have these really tiny ones. Look at this. They look like tiny cherries. Very nice. So I'm gonna put them in there. And I think I told you this garden is only about 3 months old. And my children and I, especially my son and I, and my little girls, we built this from scratch, ground up. A lot of effort. So you could see these are some carrots that are coming up. I just planted them a week ago, the seeds. Look at these ones. These are a little different colors. I like them. Look at them. So they're not ready yet, but these ones I picked. So they're a weird color, a purple tint to it. There's some more here. Here. Okay, I'm gonna pick all this before it goes to waste. And actually, you could eat them raw, and they're very sweet. I see my kids picking them and eating them all the time. All right. Now, okay. Now I need some herbs. So let me walk over to the herbs. Now these, as you can see, the type of spinach known as Malabar spinach. So they're just coming up. I just recently put the seeds down, as you could see. A lot of lettuce. Okay, there's my pepper garden. So I may take a few peppers too. Alright, so we're here. Parsley, regular parsley. I had curly parsley. I think too much water damaged that, so it's not really looking good. But I got the regular parsley here, and I had a few that I cut off earlier. Ooh. So I'm gonna take them. So I got a small piece of parsley here. Let me take some more. Okay. I wanted some thyme, but I don't have thyme, which I need to plant soon. So I'm gonna substitute it for dill instead. So I cut a few earlier. So I'm gonna take it. See? And this is a different type of dill, kind of a purplish blue dill. And I'm gonna take a little bit of oregano. Not too much, just enough, because even that is, I just planted this recently. It's okay. Just to give it a brief flavor. And some rosemary. Okay. Just a small bunch, because these are very powerful herbs. Here's my strawberry patch. I just planted them. We picked some strawberries recently, and I think too much rain is having an effect on these too, because overwater can destroy some plants. Okay, I'm gonna pick some chilies. We just picked a lot through here, so I don't have too many to pick. I got some here, but I'm not gonna pick that. I'm gonna keep that for seed. Okay, not too many peppers.